Stadium. A special day here as we look back at the past and a very important game for the present, along with Jeff Lageman and the Hall of Famer, Tony Baselli. I'm Frank Frangie. This is a special day, Jeff, but what's most special is finding a way to get a win for these Jaguars.
Well, no doubt. In the annual Jaguars Legends Weekend, where many former Jaguar players and coaches are here, but this year is special because what I consider the founding father in some respects, Tom Coughlin's going to be the 7th member inducted into the Pride of the Jaguars, a very special man. And Tony, Tom Coughlin has always been about winning. It would be a great day to win.
To win football games in this league, it usually comes down to about 5 or 6 plays, and at the end of the day, you got to make those plays when they're on the field. That's what we have not done. Opportunities are there. You have to take them and make it happen. That's the only way you're going to get a W today.
I just can't do us today, man. Let's go out here, play free, be fast. We need each other in this room, man.
So here we go. The Colts on offense. The veteran is Joe Flacco, the 39-year-old, 18th year veteran. Play fake again. Flacco wants to throw it again. Middle of the field again. Caught again. 4th and goal from the 1. As you guys predicted, they're going to go for it here. Play fake. Throws to the left side. That ball is caught. And they're going to call it a touchdown. So the Jags will start at their own 30-yard line. Trevor Lawrence, on today his 25th birthday, brings him out. Play fake. Trevor drops. It's a screen to the right side. Tank Bigsby, lots of running room. 45, 40 of the Colts, 35, 30. Along the far sideline. Tank Bigsby knocked out of bounds. That is a terrific play call. They called a screen to the right side. He got it to the 24-yard line. Blackman ran him out of bounds, but that's a big gainer. Best play of the day for the Jaguars.
Right now, Gus Bradley's defensive philosophy is working, right? I mean, his kind of whole philosophy is bend but don't break. You got to find a way to finish drives against this Gus Bradley defense.
Got a man at Brian Thomas Jr. 50 into Colts territory. 35, 30, 25, 10, 5, touchdown! Brian Thomas Jr. just went 85 yards. How good is that? And the Jags have taken the lead.
Come on, T-Bird! Hell yeah, Tony! Hell yeah! Hey, man, you were like a dude! That one was fly. You got hung by that. He was fly. I'd have hit it 22. Yeah, you was fly. I'd have hit it 22. Let's go. Hey, I like that play. I like that play. You slide tough. You slide tough. 23.
The NFL track speed on the field, he was over 22 miles per hour. There was no way that the Colts were going to catch him. Brian Thomas Jr. is just too fast.
Not take away. That's all I was thinking. Three not take away.
It's not just finishing games, it's finishing plays, finishing quarters, finishing the game when you have an opportunity to put it away. It's something that Doug has talked about the entire offseason and throughout training camp, but at some point the Jags got to do it. They got to execute when the game matters most.
15 seconds of play, 2nd and 10. Colts from their own 46-yard line. Jags showing blitz here. They come. Dropping the throw is Flacco. He gets hit. He gets hit. The ball comes out. The ball is out. The Jags are trying to pick it up. Josh Hines Allen picks it up. He runs it back to the 10-yard line. The Jags have it at the 10-yard line of the Indianapolis Colts with 5 seconds left in the half.
That's what you needed right there now. Trayvon Walker power rushes. Braden Smith, the right tackle, causes the fumble. Josh Hines Allen picks it up and almost gets to the end zone. And now the Jaguars got the ball with 5 seconds left to close this half out and to take a 3-point lead.
What a first half we had now. If you're joining us late, the Colts scored first, 7-0. It was 7-3. 10-10 late in the half when it looked like the Colts were driving to take the lead. The Jags knocked it out of Flacco's hands. He ran it back to the 10, and the Jags kicked a field goal to take the lead right before the half. Now they start the second half with a 13-10 lead. Dropping is Flacco, 4-man rush. Throws it over to the middle of the field, and that is incomplete. So the Colts go 3 and out, and Sanchez is going to have to punt it away. Seven's going to back up field at his own 31-yard line. Tries to get up the field. Does to the 35, little far sideline. Got a little bit of running room, 50. Into Colts territory, 40. Along the far sideline. That's a terrific return by Devin Duvernay inside the 20-yard line. They run it with Bigsby to the middle of the field. There's a big hole. Broke a tackle. Got it to the 10. He's still grinding. He's still on his feet. He's into the end zone. Touchdown. What a run by Tank Bigsby.
That right there is bully ball. Starts with the offensive lineman, Ezra Cleveland, with a big block leading the way, finishing. But let's give credit where credit is due, and that's Tank Bigsby running through multiple Colt tacklers.
Run through his baseball, Bentley truck. Come on, guys.
Dropping against a 4-man rush. Trevor look, fires it deep downfield, wants Christian Kirk. Christian makes the catch at the 40, the 30. That is a huge play. Trevor Lawrence to Christian Kirk. Looks, fires back in the end zone. The ball is caught. Touchdown, back in the end zone.
That was an outstanding read by Trevor Lawrence because Brian Thomas Jr. is on the right side. And Brian Thomas Jr. runs right at the pylon at the goal line, draws a lot of attention. And then Brenton Strange sneaks in behind him. Trevor almost overthrew it, but Brenton Strange climbs the ladder to make that catch.
Great catch.
That's why he worked. That's why we work. That's spot. That's why we work. Hey, you seen it. Has he off the ball? Play it out. Way to go. I'm keeping this.
So here come the Colts. They trail by 10, 9:59 to play. They go right to left here. Shotgun for Flacco. Play fake, he drops, fires middle of the field, and that's caught. And running room this time, this is Michael Pittman Jr. made the catch. That is a big gainer. That's a 27-yard gain on first down as the Colts try to battle back here. Gay on for the extra point. He's 4 out of 6 on the year, including a 30-yarder today. This is a 37-yarder from the right hash. Sanchez will put it down, trying to make it a one-possession game. Gay kicks it up, and the field goal is good. And the Jags lead 27-20 with 6 minutes to play in the ball game. We got a good one at Everbank Stadium. Gay's 37-yard field goal has made this a one-possession game, 27-20 with 6 to play.
Run the rock, Frank. Offensive line, it's on you. Tank Bigsby, Travis Etienne, you gotta run it. And the Colts have struggled against the run at times this year. Go pound them, take the ball out of Trevor's hands, and let him get into a rhythm, but running's key.
We gotta finish though. It ain't over.
Two tight ends set, I formation this time on 2nd and 5. Bigsby the running back. They toss it to the left to Tank. He cuts it back to the middle of the field. That's good running. Tank Bigsby into the open field. 45, 40, 35, 30, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown. Tank Bigsby has exploded for another score. 65 yards. How good is that?
He went inside, so they kicked out everybody and went.
I'm going to go back to the very opening of our broadcast and keys to the game. Tony Vaselli talks about the running back position and Bigsby in particular. And the quarterback's had a great game, but man, right behind him, Tank Bigsby has been an absolute beast at the running back position the last couple weeks, and particularly with that play.
Hey, bro, I'm proud of you, bro. Yeah, appreciate it. Come on, man. Hey, boy. I feel like a proud dad, boy.
34-20, Jags lead it, 5:09 to play in the ball game. First down from the 46 of Jacksonville, dropping his Flacco against the rush. Fires deep downfield again. He wants Pierce again, is out there. Pierce makes the catch. So the clock runs at 4:43. First and goal from the 1-yard line of Jacksonville. Trey Sermon, the running back. At least for now, it's 34-20 Jags. Shotgun. Flacco gives to Sermon. He leans forward, and now he's into the end zone. Clock turns under 3 to play. First down, Colts at their own 35. They trail Jacksonville by 7. Play fake this time. Flacco look. Fires deep downfield. Got a man wide open. That is Pierce. Caught it at the 25-20 along the right sideline. That is going to be a touchdown for the Indianapolis Colts. Alec Pierce has been a killer of late. That is a 65-yard touchdown. And the Colts have stormed back here, and they're an extra point away from tying this game.
Now go take it.
Hey, let's put on our back. Here we go.
Well, now you open the offense. I mean, this is no more 4-minute offense. You're not running the clock. You got to go score points.
Hey, here we go. Let's go, bro.
The situation is this. We are in a tie ball game, 34-34. A blink of an eye ago, the Jags had a 34-20 lead. Two very fast drives by the Colts have tied this thing.
You need about 22 yards to be in range for Cam Little.
Two receivers to the right. Play fake for Trevor. Trevor fires out of the backfield. That's Dearness Johnson. Broke a tackle, got it to 35. Good running by Dearness after the catch. 1:20 to play. Trevor drops. Going to throw this to blitz. It's an all-out blitz. Fires it out to the left side. Has caught Luke Farrell's tight end. Tried to break a tackle. Instead, dove forward. Stays in bound. Dropping to throw against the blitz. All-out blitz. Fires right side. That ball's caught. Staying in bounds is Christian Kirk. He's got it inside the 35. Now you're well within field goal range. You got a rookie kicker, but a very good one. 30 seconds to play in the ball game. Cook puts it down. Little kicks it up. And the field goal is good. He drilled it. He drilled the 49-yarder. And the Jags take a 37-34 lead with 17 seconds to play in the ball game. He hit it right down the middle, by the way. That one's good in arena ball. 37-34.
Just protect the sidelines, because the reality is anything in the field, they're going to have trouble getting a second play off. They might be able to get 2 plays if they get tackled in bounds. So guard the sidelines. You figure they got to get between the 35 and the 40. So nothing deep, nothing outside.
12 seconds to play. 3-man rush this time. Now they send a fourth. Flacco rushes. They're going to hit him. They're going to get him on the ground. Trayvon Walker sacked him, and that's going to end the ball game.
Hey, you, what you gonna do? Hey, you, what you gonna do? Hey, you, what you gonna do? Them Jags coming for you. Yep, you thinking Jags, here they come. You better run, Forrest, run. Because they're coming to your town. Big Thursday about to break you all down.
Sometimes winning a tight one is the best thing you can do. It was hard, but you finished. You came up and made the plays when you had to. And so that can build confidence. You're 1-4, you're going to London. You never know. Come back. 3-4, it's happened one time in the history of this league. You start 0-4, make the playoffs. But with 17 games, there's a lot of football left.
Come on, Duke, them all out.
Need that. Let's go.
Yeah! What we
talking about?
That's that food. We ain't gonna do nothing in London. But when we go to dinner, she coming too.
Coming too, man.
I feel too good to get that dub, man. I can't lie to you. The team came out there. We won the game. We did what it took to win, so I'm excited. Nothing about that. See Little?
Hey, we're just gonna skip and go right to it.
Needed that. Needed that.
Hey, I'm so proud. I'm so proud of everybody in this room. Everybody in this room. Okay, we've talked a lot over the last couple of weeks, this last month, especially this first quarter of this season, about just hanging together, man. Just hanging together. It's never easy. Game days, Sundays are never easy. You got to fight to the end. Okay, we were just a little bit more hungry today, right? We talked about it. Hungry dogs run faster, and that's what you did, man. You stayed hungry. And last night, I challenged you to kind of dive into each other a little bit, dig into each other, tap into each other. And that's what happens at the end of these games. Okay? We've played 5, right? 4 of them have been one-score games. You got me? One-score games. So that's what you're going to be in the rest of the year. That's why playing for 60 minutes. That's why you put in the time during the week. And you work and you do all those things I ask you to do. And that's why I'm so proud. So proud of the way coaches, players, everybody in this room take care of each other tonight. Enjoy this. Enjoy it. We talked about it. You just get one. You get one and it gets in your blood, and then you go get 2, right? And you go get 2. We don't look past it, but we go get 2. All right? Hey, great job, man. Hey, time. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, it's 16's birthday. We're gonna sing for 16. Y'all ready?